Hello, in this tutorial I would like to speak about if you create design in Photoshop, you've created the areas you wanted to create as a website. After, click here, which is edit in image ready. We will cut into slices into this website. This is a really simple one, so let's click here. This is a slicer tool, and select those parts which will change. For example, that will be an advertisement part, but this model site image will be placed into a simple image. So click here and select these areas. For example, menu and that part. The other fields, what I did not select or slice, will be sliced into that design too, but don't worry about it. Alright, so let's save it, and here it is. Save optimized as and select a folder. I use this folder to this website design and add the name, for example, design.html. If you won't add HTML, it is a default, alright? And see what is it exactly. Go to that folder, and as you can see, design.html. I save here that PSD file, and these are the sliced images. As you can see, these are the slices. Nice, right? This file were already in this folder, right? Okay. What you have now done is open with Dreamweaver, and I will test it before I edit. I have a little low resolution, but this is the HTML and these are unique images. So open it in Dreamweaver. If you could rename it, use an extension PHP, because that will be a dynamic page. Open it with Dreamweaver, and these are the source code, but in code view. This is in design view, and use the code view and insert something here, for example a center, to get this table to the center of the page. You could use the div align, but this is the easiest way. So this is in the center. And another thing you could done, select this table, because this is a table, and use the somewhere there is a convert tables to layers, and it will create layers from table. Why is it good? Because if you select this layer, you could replace this image as a background. So let's see what is this image name. You could find here images design 9.jpg and delete it. Select this layer, use this property and set the background image into this JPEG. Do the same with the menu layer. Select this image, see its location, delete it and set this image as a background. So at design.php, this is design. Add the title, for example, model site, and copy this program into a server with all the images. So open a browser and go to this location. Nice. Right, but another thing we must do is create some menu and create, for example, text. If you write something into this part, you could see what is the color of this area. Let's change it with the default settings, page properties, and select a light, for example, a white color, and the background will be black. The page background will be black. You could use CSS codes with Dreamweaver, but I'm just do the simplest way. This will be the content and this will be the menu. Another thing, select these layers, this layer, and set an overflow to an auto. Do the same with the right menu layer, and overflow will auto. Why is it okay or good? Because that will scroll and that part will scroll. Copy and see it. You didn't need to recopy the images because that won't change. And this is the content and this is the menu. Right? And this part was the first part, and the second part of the tutorial we will do the dynamic content with a MySQL and a PHP program. Right? Thank you, and go to the second part of this tutorial. Bye bye.